2020 was a record-breaking year for fires. 2022 is stacking up to be another bad season, with early and intense fires this spring. Now, Pheonix Fire Department has chosen Skydio drones for life-saving missions. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Leading drone manufacturer Skydio has been named as the Pheonix Fire Department's platform of choice for its UAS program. This newly launched program was developed to increase safety for firefighters, as well as to enhance emergency response support within Pheonix. As more and more public safety agencies begin to deploy drones, Skydio has seen a growing interest in its Skydio 2 Plus and Skydio X2 drones, powered by its Skydio Autonomy autonomous flight software. These models are widely praised for their suitability in helping inexperienced pilots safely carry out operations and access necessary real-time data. The department's new UAS program serves as the first part of the City of Phoenix's phased approach to incorporate drones into its daily workflows. The Pheonix Fire Department has purchased 3 thermal imaging camera-equipped Skydio X2 drones and has 9 FAA Part 107 certified drone pilots. The systems will be deployed mainly to help in combating structure and brush fires, as well as for drone search and rescue missions. The autonomous flight capabilities of the Skydio drones will help our teams gain situational awareness from an aerial view, while being equipped with advanced safety features that protect both our community and firefighters, and enable our new pilots to fly confidently, said Pheonix Fire Chief Mike Duran. The Pheonix Fire Department's UAS team has completed a total of 94 flights as of July 15, with 14.4 total hours of flight time. Over the course of these flights, the team has responded to 12 different incidents encompassing first alarm fires, brush fires, and mountain rescues. Subscribe to DroneLife.com for more commercial drone news.